Alright, it's the winter. So, we are just going to do this first. So I have given this girl but I have given let me show you. Well, I just let me show you like wait, actually that's fine, but I can't show you, but I can't do. Let me just do that. So let me just go ahead and find her real quick. Oops. So I just need to find her. It doesn't really sound that it's called Wait to be Wicked from Sims to Excellent. So anyway, to be wicked. Okay, so. Okay, poor you. But I can't show you the message because that actually has the house rates and stuff. So, I can, so what's that? Yeah, we're not going to do this right now. I'm just going to go ahead and change my character. See what that's. Actually, I'm going to change back now. I don't want to look at it. So, I'm going to put the chat down. Oh, nope, she just said that we got hacked. So, like, she knows that I would. I'm just going to give her a makeover, but she won't believe me, so. If she doesn't believe me, that's fine. So, please don't believe me, because people always don't believe me, right? They say, you're a freaking hacker. I don't even know what he said that to me. Oops, I pressed myself. Oh yeah, this is a new account. My old one actually got hacked. It's my workout beside 7, and my parents were nice enough to get me VIP, so yeah. Actually, I used my tour money, but they were nice enough to use their credit card. Thank you. That's why we even have parents, because they treat us nice. So like this one time, my cousin came over, my cousin, and then he was like, I'm like, wait, do you have Adidas Vans? And he's like, no, I have Nike Air Jordan, or Air Jordan something, and then those Air Jordan something, and then like that one, and then I said, why do you put, I said, why do you put in that? Yeah. And then he said like, because they love me. Yeah, that's even when you have parents, because they love us. Like, oh my gosh, look, my mom! I should take a screenshot of this. Oh, my God. Yeah, my little friend. Oh my gosh, look! That's so cool! So, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store and pick. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again, because now I've done this, I actually don't have to restore something. 1, 2, 3. Wait, copy. Titanium coffee. Oh, do you know that song? I love it. Titanium! Shoot me down! Hello, person. Why don't people say I like conversations? Hello, person. Hello, freaking person. From that speaking. Hi. What do you want? Wait, oh my gosh, I didn't say that's actually so cool. What? Really? Well, I'm thirsty. Why did you get some milk from your mom? Just kidding, just got some milk. Like, that's why you really drink cafe. Like, get ice cream. Get something to eat! Red carpet cafe. Then shouldn't it have a red carpet? It's called Red Carpet Cafe. Okay, bye. So the guy just said, he's like, as you can see here, he's like, hi, and he said, hi, what do you want? Then he said, never mind, okay, never mind. And he does not even respect me. He just said, never mind. I said, bye, I respect men, alright. But as you can see, I know what he was trying to do. Everybody knows people. Here we go, I saw this girl earlier, and like, oh my god, like, we were just back in the middle, and the show was fine, so yeah. Like, and like, oh my gosh, hey, you're a hacker. Oh my gosh, woo. Someone said she's a hacker. Oh my gosh, I'm leaving fast. Because I don't like hackers. Hey, you're a hacker. She just seriously said that. I don't want to get hacked on camera. I'm seriously not getting hacked on camera. Like, I don't want to get hacked on camera. So we're gonna go to London's room. My computer's so hot. Hello, London. Okay, this does not look like a room. I would say this is not a room. It's a galaxy. Rainbow world. Like, whoa, for my opinion. Okay, this is the living room, party. Hey, it's not dark here anymore. This might be inside, right? This part, I think did we just take a spaceship to here? Because this part makes very obvious. Like, you know. So, I don't really think Star Wars can correct these people. Wait, she already looks pretty, so. Why did I seriously put, oh my gosh. I'm so freaking dumb. I am so freaking dumb. I'm so freaking dumb. Let's do random. 1, 2, 3. Moonlight nightclub. Oh, I'm so tired. Yes, from my, oh, I forgot to mention. I'm gonna say it out loud. My YouTube is, oh my gosh. That's so wrong. My YouTube is, Winter World. Wait, no, it's, yeah, Wax and More. Go check out, and, out. We're happy to check it out. And, peeps. So, actually, I'm gonna end the video here. And yes, I know it was a very short. It was very short. It's like a very short video. And I can see down here, it's actually 11 minutes. No, that's not short. Just kidding. But yeah. So bye. Yeah.